Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to copy Discord profile link on mobile. So let's get started. So if you want to copy your Discord profile link, then what you can do is just simply open up your Discord application. After opening up your Discord application, just tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right, then tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on that, now you just have to scroll down and then tap on this option which is advanced. After tapping on advanced, now you have to make sure that you have turned on your developer mode. So if you haven't, then what you can do is just simply turn it on, and after turning it on, now what you can do is just simply open up your chats. So if you have chatted with someone, then you will probably have some chats. So what you can do is just simply open it, and then you will find your profile icon beside your chat. You just have to tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you'll find the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on the three dotted icon, now you'll find copy user ID. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you have successfully copied your user ID, and now if you'll share it, it will act like a link. So that's it guys, this is how to copy Discord profile link on mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.